Hello everyone, myself Deepu Kumar from Hygiene Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. Today we discuss about basic concept of spectroscopy. What is spectroscopy? Spectroscopy is a branch of science that deals with interaction of matter with light or electromagnetic radiation. In this spectroscopy, such interaction is that energy is absorbed or emitted by the matter in discrete amount called quanta. And electromagnetic radiation. What is electromagnetic radiation? Electromagnetic radiation can travel through empty space mainly, and electromagnetic radiation is a form of energy that is transmitted through space at an enormous velocity. Electromagnetic radiation requires no supporting media. इट मीन्स इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक जो रेडिएशन होता है एक कोई भी मीडिया की इसमें आवश्यकता नहीं होती है. Wave properties of electromagnetic radiation. An electromagnetic radiation is an alternative electrical and associated magnetic force field in a space. Thus, an electromagnetic wave has electric component and magnetic component. The two components oscillate in planes perpendicular to each other and perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the radiation. This is the electromagnetic radiation figure, and in this electromagnetic radiation there are the following parameters that characterize the electromagnetic radiation. First is wavelength. It is the distance between two successive maxima on electromagnetic wave. It is denoted by the Greek letter lambda. The usual units of wavelength vary with the region of electromagnetic spectrum. Some of more commonly employed units are meters, centimeters, millimeters, micrometer, nanometer, and angstrom. And second is frequency. Frequency is mainly denoted by the nu. The number of wavelength units passing through a given point in unit time is called the frequency of radiation. It is denoted by the nu. Frequency has units of reciprocal time. It is generally expressed in cycle per second or in hertz or in Fresnel. 1 hertz is equal to 1 cycle inverse, and 1 Fresnel is equal to 10 to the power 12 hertz. And wave number is what is wave number? The wave number is mainly denoted by nu bar. Through the frequency is more fundamental than wavelength. It is cumbersome to use practice because it is usually a very large number. It is a common practice therefore to express the frequency as the wave number, which is defined as the number of waves per centimeter in vacuum. This quantity is generally denoted by mu bar. Thank you.